Okay, greeting guys. So now it's time to lay the wire mesh. So I've placed the wire mesh on the even surface. You can see that's the roll. So slowly we are going to fit or tie the wire mesh to the frame of the cage by means of cable tie. Okay, we're going to secure the ends by means of cable tie. Okay, so we have already completed putting the mesh around the cage. So final touch up, we are going to just spray places where it's not sprayed. In fact, this mesh also we are going to spray so it can last longer. So we are just cleaning up with all the debris, then we are going to put a thin layer of anti-rust spray. Okay, so today we are going to make the frame. Okay, this is the frame, whereby the frame will incorporate 6 pieces of 360 degrees rotatable castors. Okay, and the red color line is how the pet cage is going to sit in the frame. Okay, so the dimensions are all given. So we have a plywood of 5 mm thickness. Okay, so we are going to cut this and start making the frame of this guy. So as and when I will update through these videos. Okay, we have made one of the frame. This is how it looks like. So it will be connected here and also connected there. So this is how the frame looks like. Inside is hollow. Okay, so this is the work in progress. The frame of the package. So we got one more to make here. Okay, so since the frame of the pet's cage is made of wood and it's going to be subjected outdoor, it is prone where the termites or any other sort of pests will attack the wood, especially termites. So we got to treat this wood. So I have already diluted the chemical here with water. Okay, special termite treatment. So basically we just spray it. Likewise, spray on the wood. Okay, outside and inside, and let it dry before applying the paint for added protection, right? So this will prevent or will increase the lifespan of the wood, because if you don't do this treatment, the termite will eat the wood and it will the wood will spoil in the long run. Okay, so just before we are going to paint the surface of this frame, we're going to make sure all the holes or any impurities or defects on the wood, you may fill it up with the appropriate filler. In this case, we are using a multi-purpose joint compound. Okay, it's paintable after you refill it, and then you can use the abrasive sandpaper to smoothen up. You can see some holes. Okay, just a quick update. One of the member for the channel is used as a storage compartment, so you can open. Okay, later we will cover down there so you can keep some stuff inside, your pet food, you know, their supplements or whatever stock or their accessories you can keep inside here. So it's attached to your pet's cage, so you need not to keep elsewhere. It's all within reach. So if you don't want, you you can just close it. So we are using a hinge, stainless steel hinge, so it will not rust. And then we are using this type of hooks, okay, just by means of simple attachment using a Phillips screw. So just you lock it up. So if you want to do, you can do for all the rest, but I think one is sufficient. Okay guys, so the filler have already been hardened, so now we basically need to sandpaper, make it smooth before we paint. So I'm using an orbital air polisher or grinder, okay, grade 600 will do. So you just put it here and slowly go through left right. So you can see it's very smooth. So we're gonna do it and then clean it, then we paint it. Okay. Alright, greetings. So we are going to install the Castor today. Okay. So I'm cutting the plates now. So the Castor will be mounted on the plates and will be mounted on the main frame by means of screw or L brackets. Okay. So this is the Castor, is 6-inch wheels. Okay, with bearings inside here and also bearings here, not bushing, bearings. So it is easy, much more easy in rolling resistance. So we're going to drill 4 holes of 8 mm and then we're going to screw it in by means of a nut and bolt. In this case we are using a stainless steel nut and bolt because we want to prevent rust. Okay, we have finished installing the castors, all 8 of them. You can see it's installed a bit down, lower a bit, because we don't want to have a big gap between the base of this frame and the grass or the base of the floor, because if you happen to have a small pads inside here, they might just go out. So we maintain a small gap. So they have been reinforced with L brackets. So forth. Okay, the castors has been fixed. So we are going to push it now. Okay, here we start to spray the entire wooden frame for water resistant property.